guys, we're going on a trip. Pogi. Alright, so my vlog today is all about my day. I don't know what day it is, but I plan to actually quit social media and then consuming music that includes Spotify as well, or other podcasts, plus anything music, anything over social media. Focus more on production more than consumption. Because I figured out that when I hear music, whether it's Christian music or energetic music and stuff like that, it still leads to the distracting, worldly, sad boy loss and craving music. So even social media, it leads to something better. I think it's more high ROI if I actually quit social media consumption and be more productive with strict accountability partner every time I use it. And it's really hard using it, so it's time for me to actually batch the content of posting maybe 7 batch posts, 7 content, 9 content a month. I mean, it's not all about the algorithm. I'm not focused on that. I'm just focused on the consistency part, that I can post videos every single day or batch it so that I may be able to post it. And it's really hard for me because it's going to be more complicated than usual. I'm on the perfectionist side. Do I have to post 9 content, 7 content? What if I run out of content? But as long as CapCut templates don't ubos, then that's already good. 3 small wins that I had right now is being able to do being able to wake up. Being able to work out and also have the discipline, consistency for it, or training consistency. Number 2 in the still be able to have strategic rest. Number 3 would be I would be able to actually have a consistent, organized goals. So grateful is here. Grateful that I've been able to also tipid ulam for now. I don't know if it's going to be sustainable because it's egg, rice, pasted, right? And then I'll be bringing a rice cooker in my co-working space. And I was grateful, also being grateful at this specific sahod, which is 20,000 per month pesos. And although it's little and still I have $100 na natitira, but still still grateful, even less than that. And yun naman, I'd be a steward with my time, with my everything, and those recurring expenditures, I plan to actually cut it out, cut the expenditures and stuff. So yun lang naman malaki lang naman yung gastos sa recurring expenditures like transportation and food. The plan is to lower it down and strategize. And I think that's pretty much it. I think join my journey quitting social media. This starts now. Naubos siya.